If your hair is thinning, breaking, or falling out continuously, this proven blend works right at the follicle level to target the true cause. Most treatments simply coat the surface for a short time, but this formula rebuilds strength deep inside the root. Watch until the end to discover 2 science-backed methods that repair damage and boost natural regrowth. These ingredients enhance circulation, oxygen flow, and nutrient uptake in weak or inactive follicles. Let's begin with a powerful botanical that specialists consider one of the strongest natural hair growth boosters. Start with 5 to 6 sprigs of fresh rosemary, loaded with antioxidants and well-researched active compounds. If you don't have fresh leaves, then you can take dried leaves as well. It increases microcirculation in the scalp, allowing more nutrients to reach undernourished roots. This herb improves oxygen delivery to the follicles, helping awaken roots stuck in the resting phase. More oxygen and better mineral absorption create the perfect environment for stronger, healthier growth. Place the rosemary in a saucepan to begin extraction, allowing its beneficial components to dissolve completely. Rice and its water contain inositol and amino acids that repair damage and enhance hair smoothness. Rice supports the inner hair cortex, making this formula especially effective for damaged strands. We include a strong antimicrobial ingredient that shields the scalp from hidden inflammation. Cloves contain vitamins A, B2, PP, and C, giving them potent antioxidant and antiseptic properties. Cinnamon improves blood circulation to the roots, helping follicles receive nutrients more rapidly. Add 1 cinnamon stick to the mixture so its active compounds can infuse thoroughly. Pour in 250 milliliters, about 1 cup of water to extract nutrients through gentle heating. These ingredients naturally accelerate hair growth and strengthen brittle strands from root to tips. This formula helps fragile, thinning hair and prevents ongoing weakening. Simmer the mixture for 10 minutes to ensure full extraction of its active nutrients. Allow the infusion to cool completely to protect the hair cuticle. Which city and country are you watching from? Tell me so I can tailor future videos for you. Strain the infusion to remove the herbs, leaving a clear, nutrient-rich liquid. Transfer the tonic into a clean spray bottle for easy, even application. This quantity works perfectly for medium-length hair, giving full coverage from root to ends. Share your age in the comments so we can understand hair concerns across different age groups. Spray the herbal water generously onto your scalp, especially on weak or thinning areas. Massage with your fingertips to boost blood flow and increase the tonic's effectiveness. This recipe is gentle enough for daily use and suitable for all hair types. Spray and let your hair air dry naturally. Do not rinse, so the active ingredients stay on. For the second recipe, prepare 3 bay leaves, known for balancing scalp oils and soothing irritation. Add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, rich in compounds that strengthen and energize follicles. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes, all tested and explained with science-backed insights. Black tea supports growth with caffeine and tannins that strengthen follicles and reduce shedding. Add 1 tablespoon of black tea to the pot to create a concentrated strengthening infusion. Pour in 250 milliliters of water to draw out the nutrients and form a potent tonic for weak hair. This longer extraction boosts the infusion's strength, promoting faster and fuller growth. Use natural remedies consistently for the best results. Regularity is key for hair recovery. These natural formulas work by improving scalp health and helping follicles function more effectively. Allow the mixture to cool completely before use to protect the scalp and hair shaft. Strain the infusion to remove solids, leaving a clean, nutrient-dense liquid. Pour the tonic into a spray bottle for convenient application on thinning areas. Use it on your roots and hair 3 times a week. Do not rinse to preserve the active compounds. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share this recipe with others. With patience and consistency, results will come, so stick to the routine. Always consider possible contraindications, and consult a doctor if needed. This helps ensure the recipe suits your condition, especially if you have a sensitive scalp. Take care, and thank you for watching. See you in the next science-backed hair recipe.